How to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I will show you how you can fix could not refresh feed on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, sometimes when you go ahead and then open up the Instagram application, it simply says that the feed could not be refreshed. It could be happening due to multiple reasons. So the very first thing you want to check is whether or not your internet connection is stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data, or if you're using cellular data, just go ahead and then try to switch to Wi-Fi, because 90% of the time the problem and the issue could also be with your own internet connection, that you are not being able to go ahead and then refresh the Instagram application. And then after that, if you're on Android, you have to follow the steps as I do. Just long press on the Instagram app icon, tap on the I button over here, and then you want to go to the option called storage, clear cache. If possible, also try to clear the data, but keep in mind that clearing the data will log you out of your account, so you have to most likely re-log in back again. And if you're on iOS, just offload the application by going to general. And after that, just open up your respective app store, whether you're on iOS or whether you're on Android, and then in the search box you just want to type in Instagram. Once type in Instagram, check whether or not the Instagram app has an update available. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous versions of the application. So hopefully one of these solutions may have worked for you. If it did work for you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.